Are you from United Arab Emirates, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Lebanon, Egypt, Philippines or India? This video is for you. Dreaming of exploring the stunning landscapes and rich culture of Armenia? Here is your ultimate guide to getting an Armenian visa. United Arab Emirates and Kuwait citizens are not required to hold an Armenian visa when traveling to the Republic of Armenia. Saudi Arabia, Egypt nationals can get visa to Armenia by e-visa system at the border of Armenia if they present a valid visa or a valid resident card issued by the country's European Union and Schengen member states, as well as GCC. Lebanon, India, and Philippines nationals can get visas to Armenia by e-visa system at the Armenian embassies at the border of Armenia if they present a valid visa or a valid resident card issued by the members, the European Union, Schengen member states, as well as GCC. Traveling to Armenia is easier than ever. Start planning your adventure today.